Alright, check it out. We got 650 yards of fishing string, and we can show you how you can put it to the best use. Peter's working this thing up. It's been like half an hour since we've been doing this. We got him duct taped, fishing stringed. Yeah, he ain't going nowhere. It's my friend Pete. He's a fishing string specialist. Beth, what do you do? Dude, it'd be funnier if the door was bigger and we could have moved the couch outside and he'll wake up outside like that, but the couch is too big for that door right there. So this is the best we got. What is that Pete doing? What are you doing, Pete? What was that? Oh, he's just fixing the string. Alright, we'll get back to you later.